Okay, here we are, Thanksgiving Day, and Dakota still following me around. Right, Dakota? It's funny, this video is gonna be funny. Hey, Dakota. This is Renee Quincy. Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, a little scared.
Hey, Pops.
Hey, Joss. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, Ian. Where's the bucket?
And out goes Dakota. I'll take some more video later. Serene, happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
Stop taking me. Happy Thanksgiving.
There's Dakota again. This time outside our window. And there's Serena again.
Oops, doesn't open anymore.
If he doesn't follow us in, he'll... Dakota! If he's not in the room with us, he's nearby.
Don't take me again.
Oh, it's Serena again. Let me just wander inside real slow.
Oh, jeez. They put a house in the bottom. They house already built since like July.
Hey, Matt. What's going on? Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you.
But,
Alright, Johnny.
From New Jersey.
Yeah, Lauren.
Happy Thanksgiving. You know,
Let me get the turkey.
Cooking.
Hey, Laura.
Justin, come here.
And Cynthia.
My first holiday in
Good quality turkey.
Yes, it is.
What? Close up of Just. And close up of Lauren. How you feeling, Laura?
Anthony, you're like right in my face.
This was like 30 degrees.
This is the house. This is the neighborhood.
Where's the cows?
That's an empty lot. Cows are on that bend. I got them on the video ready. That's a new house being built. People across the street. Actually, there's no mountain view here. A little one back there. Another mountain view back there.